Good morning, all my dear little ones. Wishing you a very prosperous day today. Okay, can we start? Shall we start today's classes? All of you ready? So, our first lesson, as we told yesterday, the previous class, our first lesson, that is our environment. What is that? All of you say, our environment. In your textbook, GS part or EVS part, first lesson is that, our environment, our environment. Okay, so first of all we want to know about environment. So when we are sitting inside, we don't know anything about the environment because environment is inside as well as outside. A lot of things are there outside. So let us go for a walk. Okay, all of you get ready. Dear children, we saw many things around us. You know? So these all things around us form our environment. These all things around us, when we go outside, we see many things. These all things together we can say our environment. So all of you, I hope all of you learn to say the word, but this word is something lengthy word. So we want to study the spelling of the word environment. So it is not so easy, but when you repeat and say, or we can cut this word into pieces and we can study. Okay, are you ready? Okay, then we can start learning. E-N, all of you say E-N, V-I-R-O-N, M-E-N-T, environment. Okay, all of you say one more time. E-N, V-I-R-O-N, M-E-N-T, environment. Okay, can we clap and say? All of you ready? Keep your hands free and clap and say E-N, V-I-R-O-N, M-E-N-T, environment. All of you repeat and say E-N, V-I-R-O-N, M-E-N-T, environment. Very good, very good. All of you get it. So, all of you repeat and study. Clear? Then the things we noticed outside, I am going to write their names here. Which are they? Which are things we see? We see the mountains. Then what we see? We see the sun. Then we see river or water. Then birds, animals, etc. etc. Okay, many things we can see around us. These all things are made by someone? No, these all are existing in nature. These all occur in nature. Nobody made it. Understand? The mountains, anybody made it? No. The sun, nobody made that. It is naturally occurring. Then river also, nobody made it. Then birds, animals, like many things around us, these all are occurring in nature. So these things are called natural things. Naturally occurring things. Natural things. So mountains, sun, river, birds, animals, these all are naturally occurring things. So they are called natural things. Can you say the spelling like that? Or can we divide it? N-A-T-U-R-A-L, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Ready? N-A-T-U-R-A-L, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Okay? Clear? All of you repeat and study. Don't forget. Okay? Then these are the natural things. Like that, some other materials also we see. When you sit inside the house, many things in the environment you can watch. You can see, you can notice. Which are they? In your hand, pencil will be there, pen will be there, books will be there. Sometimes you may sitting on a chair and writing upon the table. These all things we can write here. Pen, pencil, table, chair. Like that, many materials will be there. Vessels, many materials will be there. These materials, you look, pen. Is it already there on the environment or somebody made it? Yes, people or man, human beings made it from the factory and all. Like that, pencil also like that. It is existing in the nature? No. Then table also, carpenter made the table from the plants. Then chair also like that. So, these all things are not occurring in nature. Who made it? Man made it. So, these things are called, well, if you say, man-made things. What we can say? Man-made things. So, we see many things around us. These all things together we can say, what we can say? Environment. All the things around us we can say environment. Spelling of environment? Remember all of you? Say E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. Very good, very good. So, these things in the environment, we divide them into natural things and man-made things. Natural things and man-made things. M-A-N, man, M-A-D-E, made, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Okay? Clear? Then, dear children, all of you listen with your textbook. Our environment. All of you repeat. Our environment. Then, take a walk around your school playground. Observe the things that you see around you. Did you see the following? When we go outside, we see a boy, tree, stones, sun, etc. Then, what we want to do? Put a tick. If you think they breathe, eat food and grow. Put cross if they do not breathe, eat food and grow. Okay, we can easily do breathe. All of you know. The boy can breathe. So all of you put tick. Then the leaves or the tree can breathe and grow. But it will not eat food. It prepare its own food. Okay. Then the stones do not breathe. They no need food and they will not grow. Sun also like that. So the stones and sun, all of you put cross and the first two put tick. Then we can go to the lesson. All the things around us form our environment. Okay. Then our environment consists of air, water, soil, plants, birds, people, animals, the sun, mountains, roads, buildings, and many other things around us. All of you repeat with me. When I am saying, all of you read again. Natural things and man-made things. Some of the things in our environment, such as mountains, the sun, plants, stones, and rivers, occur in nature. They are not made by human beings. Things that occur in nature are called, all of you say, what is this? Natural things. Spelling Naturalthings. Natural things. So they are not made by human beings. They are occur in nature. Okay. Next page. You can see the pictures here. Mountain, river, stones, sun, etc. These all are natural things. Examples for natural things. Then next, some of the things in our environment, such as the roads, buildings, boats, ships, tables, pens, and pencils, are made by human beings. Such things are called man-made things. So many things made by human beings. So the examples are the picture is the, what is this? Table, T-A-B-L-E, table. Chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Then pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L. Okay, these are things we learned today. Then we can do the exercise. One small questions given there. All of you try to answer it. All the things around us form our dash. Options: environment, home, school, cities. All the things around us form our environment. Very good. Put tick on that. Spelling. All of you say environment spelling. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T. Environment. Second question. Things that occur in nature. Repeat everybody. Things that occur in nature are called dash things. Things that occur in nature are called natural, man-made, new, artificial. Things that occur in nature, natural things. Very good. Natural spelling N-A-T-U-R-A-L-T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. All of you get idea? Repeat reading. 3 times reading. All of you read your textbook 3 times and this exercise, take the correct answer portion, study very well. Okay, thank you. So I hope you understood. Then we have to go through the textbook also. So all of you keep your textbook in front of you. Then whenever we are seeing and studying the spellings, you should repeat it after the video. Then I hope today's lessons, a small portion only I took today. Then this textbook reading also we have to do.